How to make curved arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with how to make delay. Let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your device. Then click on Insert at the top. After you click on Insert, click on Shapes. In Shapes, click on Arc. And then add Arc in your sheet in this way. Then right click on Arc and you'll find different options. Click on Format Shape. In Format Shape, go to Shape Options and simply scroll down. You can change its color as you want. Transparency, you can increase or decrease it. And you can also add width as you want. If you want to make it thick, you can add more numbers, and you can also change other lines. Now click on begin arrow size. I'm going to select a big one. Now end arrow size. After that, you can rotate it or add wherever you want it to be. You can drag it. After that, you're good to go. This is how to make curved arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.